Yeah, it's difficult to say which is the last innovation. Innovation is one of the concepts that Leonardo has put in the first place. And so we are developing a lot of new things, and our concept of innovation for helicopter is focused on what is innovative for the pilot and what is innovative for the crew, so what is happening in the cabin. So we developed a lot of things for the mission operator and a lot of things also for the pilot in order to increase the safety, the usability, and all the concepts that help the progress, I would say, of the helicopter operation. What we have done and that we have presented today is around the IFR capability, so instrumented flight approach. IFR is really helping the concept of safety. Because helicopter often fly in VMC condition. VMC means that you don't see, you are visual, you fly visually, so really you are relying on the pilot with a total respect to the pilot, but the instruments, the complex instruments and the technology that is today available in the avionics is really helping the pilot to increase the safety. And the instrument approaches that are part of the IFR operation are really helping the automation and the way to fly more safely in a more integrated way with the traffic. That is always an interesting point of the last years. We worked in the last years in the development of these capabilities. I called it AW1X9 helicopter because this has been done on all our helicopters. Not only one, but it was a kind of design that is on the idea of the operation that we deployed in all the helicopters, independently on the architecture, on the specific system. This has been done with the idea where we want to go. So where we want to go, keeping in mind the safety, the increase of the operation, and in order to sustain our operator, our customer, in doing their mission. For example, today we spoke about the GLS capability. That is a way to increase the mission of the operator, giving one more chance to the pilot, meaning that if the other standard instrument approach are not working, like an LPV not available or an ILS not available, the GBAS will give you one more possibility. This additional possibility can occur in a low visibility condition or for whatever reason, because LPV is not available, for example. And so it gives one more possibility to do the mission, and you know that the helicopter has to do the mission, because normally if an helicopter is called to do the job, really the whole community would like the helicopter to do the job. So the function that we developed and certified are really helping to achieve the goal of the helicopter and at the end of the community. We spoke about performance that we achieved with the PBN and GLS certification. We have to say that according to Leonardo view, we are helping also sustainability with this function, because IFR operation means that the helicopter is always when is expected. So using the features of the helicopter that can fly differently respect to the fixed wing, helicopter can fly steeper, can fly at a lower level, so can be more optimized respect to a fixed wing because of the feature of the helicopter. The helicopter can have some procedures dedicated, some PBN procedures dedicated, or some GLS procedures dedicated that are helping the helicopter to consume less fuel, to do less noise, to be faster in doing the approach, so giving space to the other traffic and avoiding to disturb, of course, the third party that is on the ground. So at the end, the IFR capability that we added are helping sustainability as well.